So I don't know. And I have a bird. Bell. What is it then? Bell. And you know what? The bird is, what is it? Bell. Is heel, common heel Mina. Yeah, it's a Mina bird. You know that? Mina bird. The bird, the kind of bird that can talk, can record whatever we said. So I got that kind of bird. My father really liked pets at that time. So I have plenty of brother. And you know, what did they teach to my bird? Moona stink. Hello. Moona stink. Hello. And I was like, why you teach that? Brother, why you teach that? I was mad. That time I was still at probably 6 or 7 years old. I don't remember. So yeah.